I'm excited. Are you excited? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. I open things on my channel, usually Thursdays and Sundays, try things out, open them, test them, the whole like shablam. I love it. And today we're gonna be opening something. It's my Boxycharm box, or Ipsy box. It is to me, for me. I think this is so different. I'm used to holding, where are you? Here it is, a box I haven't like undone. It's new. It's April. Welcome to April 2023. We have our new, it's still called Boxycharm, but it's by Ipsy, and like my box has seen better days. Like this poor thing. Anyway, we're gonna open this up today and see what I got. Since things are a little bit different, well, there's not much that's really changed. It's all in the description down below, because editing me has her life together more than like sporadic, energized, excited me who just got this box and had to immediately sit down and film. But you get 5 full-size items, and I think now you get to pick or customize 3 of them, 3 of the 5, and then they surprise you with the other ones. So we're gonna open this today and see what I got. Also, I love the box. It's very cute. I think I already tossed in the recycle my Ipsy Glam bag, which I already posted about because I get that one first. But oh, discover yourself. Oh, I plan on it. Let me tell you what. I like this. What is, this is new? We're trying something new. I mean, it's messy, but I'll try it. What is, as I'm like flailing around, I don't like these boxes because they're so hard to keep things in. But at the bottom here, there's a thing. It's a thing. I knew I saw it. So I'm going to put this down here. Are you going to stay open? No. It's not. Okay. It's like a cute little newspaper. It's a Boxycharm by Ipsy, April 2023. And I have a whole little magazine dedicated, or newspaper. I want to say a magazine. Newspaper. That is like how much out of touch with print I am. It says, same great subscription you know and love, now with more perks than ever. I don't know if it's like more perks than ever. I think it's about the same. Oh yeah, see? Tells you choose 3 out of the 5. Power picks is what they're called, I guess. Yeah, everything. And then of course you get like the Ipsy sale, mega drop stop. Yep. More exciting news. It tells you a little bit about the company product, just Ipsy in general, and then like the icon box, it's going to be by Anastasia Beverly Hills, the one coming up, and I guess this is like the stuff you're gonna get in it, which is cool, I guess. Let me see. So I did not get a card, which is okay. I was not expecting a card, I guess. So I have my app already pulled up for my April Boxycharm, and let's just go through the items. Oh, okay. Let's go through the items and I'll show you what I got. The first item is from Milk Makeup. It's the Rise, Lifting, and Lengthening Mascara. Here we are. And this is 28 doll hairs. A gravity defying lift and length, which is actually what I've been needing. I think more of the lift. Yeah, the lift. Because I've been using like eyelash serum and my lashes are so freaking long. But for whatever reason, they're just growing straight out into my glasses when I wear them, and it's obnoxious. And I tried like my curling, what was it, eyelash curler? And it does okay, not great. And I tried like, remember back in the day how you did like the lighter to your curler and you stuck it on, and I was so scared, and like I just felt the warm when I got close to my eye. I was like, nope. So this is gonna come in handy. Cool. And here's the little wand where it shows you what the little wand is supposed to look like. So neat. Okay. This next item is from SUPERGOOP. It is a daily dose HYDRA Ceramide Boost plus SPF 40 oil. That's cool. Oh, it's you. Hi. Hello. This is it. A sunscreen oil. That's going to be a first for me. $46. It's a face oil. Yeah. Helps protect your skin from the sun. Also helps fortify the skin barrier. Lock in moisturizer. Moisture skin. I want to see. Oh, get your daily dose. I'll plan on it. I do. Oh my gosh. This is so cute, and we're very lightweight. Like, yeah, I know you're plastic, but 1 fluid ounce. I don't know, it doesn't seem like a whole lot to me, but here it is. Kind of cool. I think that would come in handy as like my base sunscreen, like, you know, the one you put on under your makeup, which I'm not super big on, honestly, because I love applying the sunscreen over top of my makeup, but that's me. That's another story. That's another video coming soon. The next item is from, oh, it's an item I picked. So it is Wander Beauty, the Sweet Escape palette. I don't have this one, right? No, I don't. I don't think so. Wander Beauty, Sweet Escape, $42 hairs. I just, I just want to see what's inside. Let me grab my handy dandy little knife, because for some reason it's sealed. I don't know why. And we're being difficult. There we go. Better. Let me see. From the picture on my phone in the app, it looks beautiful, but, and like this packaging looks pretty too. Now, don't get me wrong, before I show you this, I love mattes. Me and mattes are like this. Like, if I had another child, boy or girl, I would name it Matte. But look at these. Look at these shimmers. Yes, there's a mirror, but look at the freaking shit. Look at the shimmers. Oh. I'm looking at my viewfinder because the reflection is like amazing. And then if I hold it here, I can see it in one of my mirrors over there. That is blinding. How do you do that? Where were you like a week ago when I went to the baseball game and I totally needed these purples? Oh. Well, we just became best friends. Oh. Wander Beauty. I do love Wander Beauty. I get it a lot, I think. I want to say with Ipsy. Well, Ipsy Boxycharm doesn't matter now. I get it a lot in my subscription boxes. $42. The next item, ooh, I also, well, of course, I picked these next items, all 3 of them. This one is an eyelash enhancing serum from FORCHICS, $39. Oh, that's a big box. So I still have mine, or one that's open that I'm using. Of course it's mine, but I have one that I'm using that's open. And is this like sealed? Oh my god, we're like shrink wrapped. Okay, but that's still cool. I like it. Natural approach for longer and fuller lashes. And I gotta tell you, this stuff works. And I don't think, maybe just because I haven't tried like all of them, I don't think it really matters if you're using like, I don't know what kind or what, really the eyelash serum you use. Because as long as you're consistent, it's gonna show results, and not like immediately, but over time. And I don't do mine overnight. Like I should. I probably get like 6 out of the 7. Actually, I want to say like maybe I miss, yeah, like 3-4 nights a month I'll miss. But other than that, works really good right before I'm going to bed, applying the whole shablam, and I throw that in there. easy. I don't know. Maybe like, now I wonder, now that I said it out loud, because you know in your head it sounds different. Is there a difference between like this and the other eyelash serums? Of course there's like the Latisse where you have to have a prescription to get it, but like these ones that you can go and pick up at like Ulta, Sephora, probably Walgreens, like these normal drugstore ones, is there a difference? Not talking like the ones you need a prescription for. I want to know. I know Grande Lash is another one I've been wanting to try, but I've used the mascara and the eyeliner from them and I loved it. So I'm like, I wonder, I don't know, I have questions. Let me know if you guys have tried like different ones, if you've noticed any kind of a difference between them all, because I feel like this is going to become part of my everyday or at least nighttime routine because it works. Oh, the last item in my Ipsy Boxycharm April 2023 box. It's such a little fella. It's an eyeshadow primer. It's from YC Collection Bold and Matte Eyeshadow Primer for $23. Just because I've been going through primers a lot lately, I've been playing with a lot of shadows. And this was an option, so I figured, why not? Pretty good. Yeah, we're gonna try this. I'm gonna play with this. Like, looking at it, you would swear it's gonna be green. Well, I wonder. I mean, you'll see it in an upcoming video if it is truly green. I don't want to open it, but I do want to open it. Yeah, but that's everything for my Ipsy Boxycharm box. Did nothing fall out? Are we okay? Yeah, the paper's all stuck together. I don't like these boxes. I hope they don't keep with these boxes. They might, but it's up to them and how they want to do stuff, I guess. But I don't know. I guess we'll see. This worked out pretty good though. So whatever this is helped keep everything kind of in place. But again, we'll see. I don't know, I'm pretty excited to see the whole Boxycharm, Boxy by Ipsy. What do you call yourself? Boxycharm by Ipsy. I'm excited to see how it goes, what's gonna happen, the future, my predictions. I thought they were going to get rid of the little inserts, even though Boxycharm did such a good job at always putting the inserts with all the information you needed on there. Now that it's like on the app, I don't think I really need it. Thanks to learning that from my basic Ipsy Glam bag, not always having it in there. But then they send like this giant newspaper, so I'm like, I don't know. I think the products are going to be great. I see issues with like people being able to pick so many things, but then again, that's me like thinking, is there enough product out there to have to choose from? And if Ipsy has it, by all means, let's run with it. I think it'll be great. We'll see. What are your guys' predictions for the new Ipsy, or no, sorry, Boxycharm by Ipsy? I want to call it the Ipsy box. I wonder if they're going to change their name. They should, since it says Ipsy. Nowhere on here does it say Boxycharm. Just right here. They completely got rid of it. Anyway, Boxycharm by Ipsy. I think they can change the name. That's fine. Whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Thanks for hanging out, and I will catch you next time. Bye!